I don't
Well,
think we're
you only
supposed
know
to know.
what you know, right? At the time.
Right. Right.
That's why you and I like to do this, because we're trying to help people know what we know now.
We
Back, younger.
might save somebody some heartache along the way.
If they're listening to us just because we're all detailers, maybe they'll be like, "Oh, that makes sense." You know what I mean?
And the thing is that like detailing is, and I mean, I know it's completely different for me than it is for you, and that's why I love the conversations that we have, is because we're on such opposite ends of the spectrum, I feel, and it's one of those things where I think detailing is just a catalyst. It's something that we love, that we're passionate about, that has created an environment for me to do it the way I do it, for you to do it the way you do it. It's brought you and I together. It's a catalyst for us to, like, for you to go home and enjoy your wife and your family.